more for you, ladies and gentlemen. A big hand. Hello, Karan. We meet each other again after I danced in your arms on that set at Chalak.
Yes, we survived that tragedy.
All right,
Collectively.
congratulations. I
Thank
just
you.
want to know, Karan, is there anything you don't do? I mean, whether it's acting, because I was watching DDLJ the other day and I saw you scoot up on screen, whether it's direction, whether it is hosting, whether it is dancing with me, whether it is, you know, clothes, whether...
Well, I haven't done radio as yet, Malishka. And that's my next aspiration, is to actually be a radio jockey now.
Okay, please no. Just
No,
no.
why?
Not one more pet pilat nahi chahiye.
Acha, okay,
Please
theek
no.
hai.
Also, all right, we must speak about your jewelry designing. Thank you for being with us. And we all know how creative you are, but you really enjoy talking to celebrities on that famous, what is that round called? Come on, what is that famous?
Rapid fire.
Thank you, the rapid fire round. Do you think we should do one with Karan? Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, but this is a really...
That's very original, Malishka.
Yes, it's a very gentle...
I've never been asked to do the rapid fire round in my entire life.
And you won't believe how gentle it is. It's such a gentle, mild, rapid fire round.
Coming from you?
I promise you.
Gentle and you, Malishka,
Today
how
don't
does
go
that go
together.
together?
Okay, stop telling them secrets
Okay,
now
all right,
already.
okay.
All right. No, these are the...
I want to tell you, Malishka has a very hot boyfriend, though, I have to say, which we all saw on Jhalak, and we're wondering what she's up to with him most of the time. But anyway, yes.
Do we want this beautiful... Okay, maybe you can design my engagement ring.
Well, if someone decides to get engaged to you,
Hey!
I will present him with something.
All right, boyfriend, meet me after this. All right, Karan, let's start with, what made you venture into jewelry designing?
Well, that's a long answer. It can't be said in one line. I think after I designed the apparel round, when I decided to do the women's apparel line, I thought the next stage in fashion or aesthetics would be a jewelry association. And I was very happy when Sunil and Kiran came to me from the Gehna family. And I was very pleased to meet their daughter Gehna today as well. And I thought that their lineage and their tremendous impact that they've had in the zone of jewelry design for the last 28 years, coupled with some of my thoughts and ideas, would collaborate into a really fine line of jewelry. And I'm half Sindhi, so jewelry and diamonds and bling come with the territory. And this is my ode to my mother, who's jewelry obsessed, I want to tell you. So I think whatever happens, eventually most of the collection is going to be adorned on her.
Is she very fond, and has she worn your pieces so far?
Well, she's posed in some of them. As soon as I took it, I made actually her wear some of the pieces that they gave me, and she was vastly excited. So it made me realize that the demographic for this line definitely ranges from the very young to my mother.
Okay, so mommy, looking forward to seeing you with Karan in those pieces, and also big ups to you for finding Karan Johar, considering there are so many jewelry shops on Turner Road. I love Gehna, my personal favorite. So
why did you make it sound so high street? Gehna is not high street; it's exclusive.
Of course,
please don't go call it Turner Road now. Did you just say Turner Road on this platform? That's appalling.
How South Mumbai are you?
I'm not actually. I live in Bandra, but we don't say Turner Road.
What do you call it?
Gehna is couture jewelry, and it's amazing jewelry, and it's priceless, though it comes with a price. And I think that by calling it a shop on Turner Road doesn't do it justice.
It was not a shop. Okay, but you're right. But I just wanted him to say all of those wonderful things about Gehna. Ladies and gentlemen, big hand. Okay, it's your rapid fire. So the next question I have is, would you like to tell us a little more about your association with Gehna? What happened and how did you...
Well, actually, I met Kiran and Sunil, and they were wonderfully gracious. And I think we got along immediately. We had the similar ideas. We were on the same page of jewelry, literally. I wanted to do something contemporary that was also breaking ground in terms of what the jewelry zone is all about today. Currently, I think there's a lot of accent on doing new things. So I thought within that zone, we did some new things, whether it was ear cuffs or the hand rings that spread all through your fingers and make it. I mean, yes. Just like Malishka's wearing. And I just think that in all my travels and all my observations, I've seen some very fine pieces of jewelry that I think the team at Gehna has so wonderfully put together that I'm immensely proud of this collection. And I think it's going to appease to everyone, almost everyone. And we have a men's line as well, which I'm wearing. I have this lapel, so it's like, so why should only jewelry be a woman's best friend, a woman's best friend? The men can wear something. It will add a tremendous amount of bling value to your tuxedo or your three-piece suit. And And if the women come shopping, why can't they buy things for their spouses, lovers, husbands?
All
Why
right,
not?
ladies, what Karan Johar has made you do essentially is pull out your credit cards once in a while as well. All right,
Yeah.
give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. He's answering my questions before I can ask them. All right, tell us, how is it actually working with Kiran and Sunil?
It's actually been wonderful. It's been a great collaboration. It's been completely democratic, and we've all had our ideas and put together. They're a warm, wonderful couple, and just the first time, and the fact that they're from the same lineage as my mother only helps. And you must understand that all Sindhis have a great affinity for each other. So the fact that I met them and I felt that grace and that tremendous amount of, I would say, kindness from the very onset, and it felt like it was family. And I hope my association with Gaina continues for many, many years to come.
All right, and what is the kind of work that you've used in your jewelry? What kind of stones? What kind
Well, there are lots of blending colored stones with diamonds, and we've used the yellow stones, we've used rubies and emeralds. Emeralds are my favorite stone. They're not only lucky for me, but they're beautifully integrated into this collection as well. So there's a fusion. I mean, you know, whether it's a contemporary jewelry to a Rajwada Ghada, it's got it all.
All right, you think the Indian male has developed a kind of taste, a liking to jewelry?
Well, I think it'll take a lot for the Indian man to get accustomed to wearing jewelry unless you're Bappi Lahiri. But I definitely believe that men are definitely going in that zone slowly and steadily, and I hope Gaina is that big baby step to take.
All right. What, according to you, is the trend in jewelry currently and forecast for the forthcoming season?
Well, you made me sound like Bejan Daruwala right now. But
Please, hame bataiye
well, I
ki.
think the trend is like, I think jewelry should adorn a garment, and I think whatever it takes, sometimes minimal is a lot. So I think if you wear something with a lot of bling, go easy on the jewelry. And I think Western and modern jewelry is definitely my favorite. I'm not a big fan of gold, and I'm not a big fan of very traditional jewelry. I love diamonds. I mean, diamonds, as I said, it comes with being Sindhi. So for me, bling is king.
I agree with you. Give me 5.
Yeah.
All right, 2 more questions. If you were a woman, which Karan Johar piece would you definitely want to wear?
The one you're wearing around your neck.
This one?
Yeah.
I am a woman. And my final question, Karan, which piece of jewelry are you gifting me this Christmas? Oh, I said that out loud.
Yeah, the engagement ring that you're going to subject your fiancé
All right,
to.
ladies and gentlemen, a big hand, Karan Johar with Sunil Datwani right here on stage. All right, you've received tips from Karan. And without waiting any longer, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our exclusive presentation. To give these pieces their due, we have some lovely ladies to show you exactly how stunning these pieces are. And who better than these pretty faces to show it to you? So, Karan, shall we bring them on?
Yes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy. industry and a lot of the lovely ladies that we see around. So that's Neeta Lulla for you, who has designed these lovely garments and is inspired by Karan Johar's collection. Before I speak with you, Neeta, let me just quickly introduce the gorgeous Kiran Datwani. Of course, we all know her. Kiran Datwani, please, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand. The reason, yeah, you have fans too. So, Kiran, I'd just quickly like to ask you, your husband told me a while ago that you're the woman he loves to dress up. So what is the one piece of jewelry that he gave to you absolutely in the beginning? The first piece of jewelry ever.
It was a lovely heart pendant with a personal message inscribed on it, which is very, very special to me.
Which you will not tell us out loud.
No.
Okay, that's fine. But a quick word on Neeta here. I believe you're associated with her for very many years, and that's why you've brought her up yourself to talk about your new line.
Neeta is, I don't know what to say. She has done my wedding clothes 21 years ago, and that's my association with Neeta. We love her a lot, and Neeta, thank you for all that you've done for us in this show today. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Neeta, quick question to you. First of all, I would like to thank you for being inspired by Karan Johar's collection. I would also like to thank you for dressing me up tonight. She's the lady who just takes a look at you and knows exactly what you need. So, Neeta, would you like to tell us a little bit about your association with Gehna?
Gehna is an association which is not something that's just an association. It's an association of hearts with Kiran, with Sunil, and it's an association that goes a long, long way back, and it's very special. I think it's like people who you connect and meet in life, and they just stay with you through your journey, and that's what this couple is all about.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's Neeta Lulla for Kiran and Sunil and Kejo for Gehna. Thank you very much. Thank you, Neeta, for being with us, and thank you for this fabulous dress you've designed for me. Thank you. I feel awesome. Thank you, Kiran. Time. Ladies and gentlemen, ये कहावत है कि हर चांद को फलक चाहिए इतराने के लिए, हर चांद को फलक चाहिए इतराने के लिए, आप वाह वाह बोल सकते हैं, हर चांद को फलक चाहिए इतराने के लिए, और करण जौहर को ये दो सुंदरियां चाहिए अपना कलेक्शन पूरी तरह से दिखाने के लिए. Can we please one more time welcome on stage Karan Johar and Sunil Datwani. Thank you very much for coming back on stage.
Thank you for having us.
All right. I am going to say a bit about your muses. Would you like me to say them first, and then maybe you can tell us a little bit about them?
Yes, of course.
Two fabulous women that Karan. Thank you. Karan has chosen two fabulous women to showcase his jewelry tonight. One first muse this evening is a woman who is such a true lady, soft-spoken, articulate, successful, and a genius at her craft. Again and again over time, she has left the world spellbound by her simplicity and sensitivity that touch a chord with her fans. But, ladies and gentlemen, she does have an impish streak. So she's the right mix of naughty and nice, and that's why she looks so good in ice. Paving the path of new age cinema, her performance in the film Lunchbox has won great critical acclaim. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Miss Nimrit Kaur.
I have to say that, working with Nimrit on, I believe, the finest love story I've seen in a really, really long time was an absolutely pleasurable experience. Nimrit, I believe, was the finest performance of that film. Her grace and elegance, coupled with the intensity that she brought to that film. And then she completely freaked me out when I saw all 10 episodes of Homeland. I was like, where was that intense, vulnerable character, and switching gears so beautifully and dramatically in possibly the most popular show on television on the World Forum. I think truly Nimrit has really gone from strength to strength, and I was very, very excited when she agreed to be a part of our evening tonight. And of course, she is a complete epitome of grace and elegance, and who better than her really to adorn these jewels. So thank you, Nimrit, for being here tonight. Thank you very much. Would you like to share your immediate thoughts?
I don't know how to top your eloquent self, Karan. Thank you so much for having me here and for having me wear your lovely jewelry. It's a beautiful night and nothing better than sparkly diamonds. Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Nimrat.
All right. Nimrat is wearing these beautiful ear cuffs and that lovely clustering. Would you like, oh gosh, this is the one I want eventually.
This is the one Malishka wants eventually.
For the boy.
For your husband?
It's beautiful. It's so
I
beautiful.
already doubt who you're marrying if you want to give this to your husband.
You spoke about him tonight. All right. So can you tell us a little bit about the beautiful
Well,
ear
I'm
cuffs
hoping that the ear cuffs that Nimrat is wearing will set a glorious trend. And I think, as I said in the beginning, that diamonds are not only a girl's best friend, but certainly mine as well. The emeralds and diamonds are my favorite stones. And I think that Nimrat, with her elegant gown, has worn just the right amount of jewelry to adorn this garment. So we're very excited to have her with us.
Perfect. All right. We know what to get Karan for Christmas. Emeralds. He said about thrice on the stage.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Karan. All right. I think Nimrat should take a quick swirl around. Ladies and gentlemen.
Swirl?
Swirl.
You show us what your swirl is like, Malishka.
If you'll swirl with me, come. Then let
Why
us.
will I swirl with you? I want to see you swirl alone.
I can, you know. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3.
Nah, I
The
don't-
shoe came off. She did it, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
She did it. Please give her a big hand. So shall we bring your second muse on stage?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, our second muse tonight is a woman who has so much spunk, so much charisma, that with a smile that can light up a room of people. An ace actress in Tollywood, she took a huge leap of faith with her Bollywood debut in Barfi. Today, she is one of the most celebrated actresses in Bollywood. Please join me as I welcome on stage Ms. Ileana D'Cruz. She's a girl full of surprises. Please meet thy muse.
Well, I have to say that I haven't officially worked with Ileana, but have known her for a really long time. And I was completely blown by her performance in her debut Hindi film in Barfi. I remember that watching it and weeping copiously, of course, right through the film for some reason. I think I was going through some catharsis with that film. So actually, both the girls on stage are two films that have both made me cry, both Barfi and Lunchbox. And Ileana, of course, as everybody knows, is a superstar down south, and of course is now, with her foray of Hindi feature films, is on her way to achieving glorious and wonderful, successful places in the film fraternity in Bombay and in India here now. And I think her number of successes have completely surpassed all of ours at Dharma Productions. So, so we're really happy with her beauty and elegance to join us on this platform tonight. So thank you. And congratulations on your recent film, Happy Ending, though that's not a title you should ever associate yourself with. But congratulations on your sterling performance in the feature film, Happy Ending. And now your immediate thoughts yourself.
Now that has been
I'm sounding
clarified.
like... Hello.
They got worried, they switched off the mic. Yes, Ileana.
Yes. Wow. Goodness. I'm a little stumped actually. I don't know what to comment on first. For one, thank you. I didn't really know what your reaction to my film was in Barfi, so. You did. I always find it really rewarding when people say they've cried watching the film. I was like, yeah, score. So I'm really happy. I'm more than happy to be a part of this event. I think it's beautiful. I've actually asked you backstage, I was like, what is it that you're going to do next? I mean, there's so much that Karan's gotten into. And yeah, I mean, direction, production, what else? Like designing, and I think it's beautiful what he's done.
He just said he was trying to take my job, remember?
Oh, really?
The
Oh,
radio
I see.
bit, yes.
Oh, I think, yeah.
And now Malishka will ask you to swirl as well.
That will happen.
Swirl.
So
What is swirling? I've
I-
heard twirling.
Yeah,
I've
this
never
is what you do.
swirled.
You walk like that.
like that.
You walk like that.
Right.
You put your leg out like that. And then you take a profile, and then you show us what you have, and I
Oh,
don't.
baby, yeah.
And you walk right back and pray for peace.
The naughty Mr. Johar, he figured what we wanted to do right at the start. But
Of course he does.
here's what I must ask you before we twirl and swirl again. Can we please, Karan, actually, you must tell her. Her jewelry is really interesting. Would you like to tell us a little bit about?
Well, these are the longest earrings you'll find in the country. So they've already broken a record. And they're stunning. They're just stunning. And in fact, coupled with what she's wearing tonight, I really believe that it's really her contribution to elegance in no better way of describing it. And it just goes so perfectly with her gown that I'm mesmerized already.
Just, you're perfect all over. So shall we do, now's the real rapid fire, Karan, where yeah, we asked
What was this
the
before?
two ladies. That was only for you. Now the ladies will talk.
Oh, God.
Again, a very. You
I'll
guys,
help.
you
I'll
guys
help.
are really scared of this rapid fire.
Well, we
What?
just thought that we wouldn't have a rapid fire.
Look at the wonderful brand you created, Karan Johar.
But you know, your rapid fire is very far from rapid, I want to tell you.
Depends on who's answering. All right, is there going to be a hamper tonight?
You
Ladies,
definitely
ladies?
look like
Is there
one.
going to be a hamper?
Ladies, we must.
Yeah.
So, Karan, I would ask you to please hand over the mic to Nimrit, because
I hate letting go of the mic.
you're a man after my own heart. All right, ladies, quick rapid fire, and who knows, whoever wins might have a hamper.
Buzzer
Yes,
without
yes.
the buzzer.
Without, he'll
Oh
he'll
my
manage.
God.
All right, quick question. If you had one piece of jewelry that you could wear to a party, what would that be?
A solitaire ring.
Huh?
A solitaire ring. Oh my God, sorry, I went really fast.
Solitaire ring. What would you like to?
I would wear ear cuffs, yeah.
I thought it's a buzzer round.
It isn't. You just give us your answers and whatever Karan likes
So
at the
there's
end.
not going to be a winner? There's no hamper to be won?
Ear cuffs.
Okay. What is, celebrities are always under the radar for wearing the same clothes or jewelry. Would you repeat your jewelry?
Yeah, why not?
What is the one piece of jewelry that you've worn again and again that you love? That you love. Say that again.
I have, yeah.
I said she's worked down south, so Mangal Sutra for sure.
Definitely. I don't know how many times I've been married down south.
Nimrit, what about you?
I don't know if you answered your
I
question.
didn't actually.
He answered it for her because he.
That's a funny answer. I'd stick with that.
Yeah, I think I've worn my mum's bangle a lot. Yeah, she has a gold bangle that I've worn a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the most special piece of jewelry you have ever received or given? Make it good.
Gosh, it hasn't happened yet. Guys.
Good platform to say it.
Hint.
Yes. Have you been luckier?
Solitaire ring. Really pretty one.
Nimrit, we've got to move up on this one.
Yeah,
She's
yeah,
already
I
got her
should,
solitaire
yeah.
ring.
Obsessed with solitaires. Sorry. I love
All right. And what do you think about Kejo for the Gehna collection, for the Kejo for Gehna collection?
Well, can't you see? Like, you know, pretty much says a lot without really saying anything. I think it's beautiful. I love that he's gotten into this. I love the stuff that he's designed, even the little elephant. Isn't that what you've designed as well? That's so cute. It's got a really tiny tail.
So there's something for the men and the women. Would you
Yeah.
like to tell us what you think of Kejo's collection?
I love it because I think it's got your trademark style. It's elegant. It's easy to wear. I love that. It's not heavy on the ears. It's not tearing your ear piercing
Yes,
apart,
yeah.
which is really lovely. And it makes you look and feel as precious as anything I've worn.
Yeah.
As
See, that was
Yeah.
such a lovely thing to say. Karan, who wins the hamper?
You said there were no.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think, finally, one last question. What do you think he should gift me this Christmas? On that note, ladies and gentlemen, Karan Johar for Gehna. Give him a big hand, please. Thank you very much, Ilyana and Nimrit. I would like you to come up for a photo op.
First swirl
Also a twirl and a swirl. Shall we do that? All of us, come on.
with the mic.
मैं बहुत खुश था इस एक्सपीरियंस के साथ। जब मैंने ये तय किया कि मैं ये करने वाला हूँ तो मैं बहुत खुश था कि ये गहना का जो परिवार मेरे पास आया, मुझे ऑफ़र किया ये कि मैं ये एक लाइन ऑफ ज्वेलरी बनाऊँ उनके लिए। तो आई वाज़ वेरी वेरी ऑनर्ड, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ कि उनकी लेगेसी बहुत ही बड़ी है। 28 साल से वो इस जोन में है। तो मैंने सोचा कि ये मेरा नेक्स्ट स्टेप ज़रूर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैंने एक वुमेंस लाइन ऑलरेडी डिज़ाइन कर लिया है। तो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप वुड बी ज्वेलरी। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि उन्होंने मुझे चुना, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द टू ब्यूटीज़ दैट आर ऑन माई लेफ्ट एंड राइट, इलियाना एंड निमृत। दोनों के साथ मेरी एक फ्रेटर्निटी एसोसिएशन है। दोनों बहुत ही एलिगेंट, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल, खूबसूरत, टैलेंटेड लड़कियाँ हैं। तो आज उन्होंने इस मंच को यहाँ इस मंच पे आके मेरा सहारा दिया, मुझे मेरी इज़्ज़त अफजाई बढ़ाई, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
दो ब्यूटीफुल लेडी हैं, बट ज्वेलरी दिखाई नहीं दे रही।
इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि लोग पूरी दुकान पहन के आ जाए ना। आजकल का जो स्टाइलिंग है, जो ट्रेंड है, इट सेज लिटिल इज़ अ लॉट। तो आजकल जो दुकान पहन के लोग बाहर आ जाते हैं, तो उसके मैं बहुत अगेंस्ट हूँ। आई थिंक वेस्टर्न स्टाइलिंग मिनिमल होना चाहिए। और तो इफ़ यू जस्ट सी कि बहुत ही एलिगेंट गाउन पहना है इलियाना ने, एंड जस्ट एडिंग टू दैट आर दीज ब्यूटीफुल लॉन्ग ईयरिंग्स। एंड निमृत इज केप्ट इट, उनकी जो बहुत गाउन है, जो बहुत हर ओन ब्यूटी एंड हर पॉइज इज हर ज्वेलरी, एंड कपल टू दैट आर हर ब्यूटीफुल ईयर cuffs.
Karan, अब और क्या, like you know, you have done everything I think the industry has given you. I think jewelry भी हो गई, fashion. Now what next for you?
अब पता नहीं, आई थिंक मैं बस आई एम 42 years old, तो आई थिंक मेरे 40 और साल है काम के। तो बहुत सारी फिल्में बनानी है। ये तो सब जो है ये मेरी पर्सनालिटी का हिस्सा है, और मैं जो कोर प्रोफेशन है फिल्म मेकिंग, उसका एक नतीजा है दैट आई गेट टू होस्ट अ टॉक शो, जज अ रियलिटी शो, डिज़ाइन अ ज्वेलरी लाइन और अ क्लोथ्स अपैरल लाइन। दीज आर रियली, इट्स वंडरफुल दैट जो सारी मेरे हॉबीज़ हैं वो अभी एक प्रोफेशन सा बन चुका है मेरे लिए। तो आई एम वेरी ऑनर्ड दैट आई एम गिवन द प्लेटफॉर्म टू डू ऑल दीज सेवरल things.
Nimrit, you're looking absolutely stunning in this off-shoulder gown. आपको हम जब भी हम देखते हैं, एक बहुत ही सटल अवतार में एसोसिएट करते हैं, but today you're looking absolutely stunning. क्या कहेंगे इस बारे में?
मैं कहूँगी आपका टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है और आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन बहुत कीन है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। इट्स अ प्रिविलेज टू बी वेयरिंग ज्वेलरी डिजाइन बाय करण। इट्स एलिगेंट, इट्स लवली, इट्स इजी टू वेयर, इट्स फैबुलस।
निमृत एंड इलियाना, आप दोनों से जानना चाहिए, करण जौहर को शादी करते हुए कब देखना आप लोग चाहते हैं? मतलब ज्वेलरी है, ज्वेलरी आप
दोनों ने बहुत मुझे रिक्वेस्ट किया कि मैं इनसे शादी कर लूं, तो मैं दोनों का प्रपोजल्स घर ले जा रहा हूं अपनी माँ के पास, और मेरी माँ डिसाइड करेगी कि निमृत और इलियाना के बीच में कौन बनेगी धर्मा प्रोडक्शंस की बहू। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Now it's me.